Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing this prom look for you guys. It's going to be a full face tutorial. Also, before you guys go ahead and point it out or say something, I did want to go retouch my lips. So they are bruised up and you guys are going to be able to see like on here on the video. So I'm just letting you guys know that way you guys don't think anything bad. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I came up with this look, stay tuned and keep on watching.
Okay, so I'm going in with the L'Oreal Pro Infallible Primer. And then for my foundation, I did go in with the Morphe Fluidity foundation in the shade, I believe, Natural or Neutral. It's one of those two, but that's my shade. After using my Morphe brush for my foundation, I do like to take a sponge and just dab everything into its place. That way, in case I do have any little lines showing, that'll just hold everything into its place. Then I am going in with the Pure Cosmetics, I believe it's Pure Cosmetics bronzer. It's my favorite bronzer, Mineral Glow, and I'm just bronzing up my whole face. For my highlight, I'm going in with this Unicorn Dust from Trend Beauty. You guys, I just received this maybe like a couple of days ago, and it's one of my favorite highlights at the moment. And that's because I don't use highlight every day, but I don't know. I think I'm going to have to rethink this because this highlight is bomb, and it's only $12.50, guys. $12.50. So you guys need to go ahead and check it out because it's one of my favorites, and it's super, super pigmented. To set my base, I'm using the Fit Me concealer from Maybelline, and it's in the shade 10. I really like this concealer because it dries matte, so I really don't have trouble applying the eyeshadow. It dries super, super fast as well. To conceal and highlight under my eyes, I'm using the same one, the shade 10. Okay, I already went in and applied some translucent powder right under my eyes, and now I'm just going to go ahead and bake under my cheekbones. I really like to spray my sponge with water because I do have dry skin, so this helps it not get as dry and it leaves it a little bit more moist. Okay, so moving on to my eyes, I'm using the palette Tempting from Trend Beauty as well, and I'm taking the shade Seductive, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all over my crease. You guys, this palette is so bomb, like... It's probably one of my favorite palettes right now at the moment. I haven't tried the rest because I did receive more, but this one so far is one of my favorites, and it's only $12.50, guys. For my second shade, I'm taking Law of Attraction. This is a really pretty shade as well, and that's going to be my transitioning color. Going back in with that brown shade, I'm just blending everything together, and I'm just going to go ahead and go back and forth with that orangey shade and that brown shade, back and forth until I achieve the desired look that I am going for. To cut my crease, I am using the Fit Me concealer in the shade number 10. For my next shade, I am taking the shade Fate. This shade is almost like a foiled color. And you guys, I've tried other foiled eyeshadows and they're kind of hard to work with. I did went ahead and sprayed my brush just a little bit with water, and this helped it a lot. But you guys don't even have to use water because I did try it before that. But I just wanted to go for more of that like glossier effect. So that's the reason that I went ahead and sprayed my brush. But even without spraying it, it'll work really, really well, and it's going to blend really good. just to make my eyes pop out a little bit more, because it is, you know, like a prom look. I am going to go ahead and apply this glitter, and it's from Sasha's Vanity, and it's in the shade My Last Kiss, or The Last Kiss, I believe. And I do have a discount code if you guys do want to save some money. It is Ruby10, and you guys can go ahead and use it, and you guys will save a little bit of money. Taking that shade Seductive again, I'm just blending everything together and just making sure that I do not have any harsh lines. So I did want to go for like a smokier look, so I am applying a little bit of black eyeliner. I don't know the name, but you know, you can just use any black eyeliner. And then I am taking that shade, that brown shade again, Seductive. And then after that, I will be taking Law of Attraction and just blend everything together. Taking the same highlight, I'm just applying a little bit in my inner corner. For my lashes, I'm going in with some of my favorite lashes. They are in this style Juliette, and they are from Bella Eyes Inc. I do have a discount code with them as well. It's Rubylayy, and you guys can go ahead and use it for some money off. Moving on to my lips, I'm just using this nude lip pencil. It doesn't have the name because it is really old, but I did receive it in my BoxyCharm, and it's one of my favorites right now. And then I am using this Obsessed lipstick from Beauty Creations. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply this lip gloss. I believe it's in Strike Gold from Tarte Cosmetics.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I think for this whole month of March, I'm going to be doing just like pure prom looks. That way you guys can go ahead and get like different ideas. And then I don't know if I should do like a hair tutorial as well, because I do like to do updos as well. But if not, I think I'll just go ahead and stick to the eyeshadow. But go ahead and let me know. Also guys, these palettes, oh my god, like I had swatched them earlier whenever I received them, and they were already pretty. But right now that I actually used them on my lids and then on like the highlight on my cheeks and stuff, you guys, it's super pigmented. Like this is a little highlight palette. And then this is the palette that I used. Of course, you guys seen it, but let me go ahead and show you guys again. You guys, the colors on this, like, oh my god, they were so easy to blend and they were really smooth. This is probably like one of the first palettes that I've never actually had to try blending a lot. Like it would actually blend by itself. And I believe that all these palettes are $12.50 each. They're so inexpensive and the quality is super good. So yeah, so this is the first prom makeup look that I did for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and then hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload my videos. That way you guys can go ahead and be the first ones to see them. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.